Looking to start your own online store, fast, easy, and fully integrated? Welcome to Odoo eCommerce, where you can launch your business in just a few clicks. Odoo isn't just a website builder, it's a complete business solution. With e-commerce fully integrated into inventory, sales, accounting, and marketing, you can manage everything from a single platform. Here's how to set up your online store. Go to the website app and choose a beautiful mobile-ready theme. Add your products with images, descriptions, and variants like size or color. Set payment methods like Stripe or PayPal. Enable shipping options with real-time carriers. Hit publish, and your store is live. Odoo's e-commerce isn't just pretty, it's smart. Track visitors in real time, recover abandoned carts, use built-in SEO and marketing tools, all fully synced with inventory and invoicing, no more silos. Whether you're selling clothes, gadgets, or digital products, Odoo makes it easy to build, run, and scale your store. Subscribe O2B Technologies and take your business online the smart way at www.o2btechnologies.com.